Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will be replacing fuel filter off a diesel Range Rover. First we will need a T30 bit to remove the fuel sensor holder. I first loose the bolt using torque bit and then remove it using my hand to avoid dropping the bolt to the engine compartment. Once the bolt is removed, you then need to disconnect the fuel sensor. Once the sensor is disconnected, you need to remove the sensor holder as well as the sensor. If you brought the fuel filter with the sensor already installed, you only need to remove the sensor connector. Now that the sensor is removed, you will now need to loosen both the clips using a flathead screwdriver. Once the clips are loosened, you will need to disconnect the hose connected to the fuel filter. The hose should be removed easily, however in my case, the filter wasn't changed for over 30,000 miles. This caused the hose to stick to the filter, in which I had to use the flathead. If this is your case, you can spray a little WD-40 to the hose and with the help of a flathead, it should remove easily. Once again using T30 bit, loosen the bolt holding the fuel filter to remove the old filter from its housing. Fuel filters are designed to keep dirt, rust, paint chips and other fuel contaminants from entering fuel injectors and ultimately harming the engine. It is recommended to replace the fuel filter in your vehicle every 2 years or 20,000 miles. Failure to do so will result in your vehicle having hard time starting, misfire or rough idle and stalling vehicle. Now is time to install the new filter. Once you place the filter, tighten the housing using T30 bit. Install the hose to the filter. Tighten the clips using flathead. Place the fuel filter sensor on the holder and tighten using T30 bit. Once again, if you brought the fuel filter already fitted with sensor, you can skip this part. Now connect the sensor and you have changed your fuel filter. Thank you for watching. If you did like the video, please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.